Hi Trailblazers, I'm Brian Curtis, I'm the principal at Shaw Road, and I'd like to welcome you to the 2021 school year and welcome you to our first ever virtual open house. Pretty safe to say in my 35 years of working in schools, we've never had a start to a school year like this. Probably safe to say that nobody's ever had a start to a school year like this. We're going to make it the best thing we can possibly put out there, and we've been working really hard for a couple of weeks now, actually months, trying to figure out all of the good tools that we can use to get you connected, even though you're not going to be here physically at school. We know that that's not the best situation. At some point we will get through that, and we also know it will not be like this forever. So in the meantime, we have lots of plans, and you're going to be hearing from your teachers just in a short bit, a little glimpse into who they are and what to expect in your grade levels. And then tomorrow morning, bright and early at 8:30, we're going to have you log into that computer, and you're going to join a Teams meeting and start meeting your teacher and your classmates. We are getting going. School starts September 3rd, and then we're going to jump into how your day is going to look, the routines you're going to establish, and then beyond that, with your families, parents, grandparents, guardians, whoever, we're going to start scheduling in the next week or so what we call Smart Start. And those are going to be meetings that you can have individually with your family and your teacher, online, virtual, and they can ask you some questions and get to know you better and help you through this virtual learning that we're going to do. But it all starts by charging up your computer, logging in at 8:30 tomorrow morning, and checking in and seeing what's going on and learning about your new classroom and your new classmates and your teacher. So welcome to the school year. We will get through this, and we know that it's very different for all of us. We will not be perfect all the time, but we will do our absolute best to make sure that things that aren't smooth, we get figured out, and if things aren't working in certain ways, we'll see where we can adjust and make things happen, both for students and parents alike. We will try to be as responsive as we can and get this all delivered to you, and it's a lot. So we appreciate that. We also appreciate that it's a different situation for every family. We'd like to welcome you once again. It's going to be a great school year, and we're going to look back someday and we're going to say this was very unique, and we did get through it, and we will get through it. So it all starts plugging in your computer, charging it up, opening up your computer, logging in tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. So now all you have to do is get a good night's sleep, get up in the morning, plug in, log in, be awesome, and don't forget, wash your hands.
Welcome back, Trailblazers. It's so great to have you back this year. We're having a virtual start to the year, so it's going to look a little bit different. Just wanted to say, I've seen some of you come in and pick up your computers, and it's been such a treat to see you and your parents. We're so looking forward to seeing you online at the beginning of our school year. So since we're starting virtually, we're looking at some of our regular Trailblazer rules that we want you to look at and to apply. So first off, in your virtual classrooms, make sure that you're being respectful and you're logging in on time, you have a workspace that you go to every day. The other one is make sure that you're being responsible. Let everybody have a turn in your virtual classroom. Charge your computer up every night so you're ready to go. Be safe. Make sure that you're using your computer and you're using appropriate technology and the right language in class. And don't forget, be kind. Be polite, encourage others in your classroom, and have a positive mindset. Those mindsets that we've been working on all last year. So I just wanted to welcome you back, Trailblazers. We really missed you. Hope you've had an awesome summer, and we'll see you soon on computer.
Hi Trailblazers, it's Ms. Chromis, your counselor. I hope you all had a wonderful summer, and I want to welcome you back.
Hi, I'm Mr. Rowe. On the 5th grade team, we also have Mrs. Lindner and Mrs. Frazee. We're going to be starting out the school year online like we did last spring, but there's going to be some changes. We're going to be taking daily attendance, having a combination of live and video recorded sessions instead of just video recorded sessions like we did last year. And we're going to be giving grades as well. With all these changes, there's going to be an adjustment period. And in the beginning, we're going to be taking baby steps. And it's going to be very important to be flexible, patient, and persistent as we figure this out together.
Hi Trailblazers, I'm Miss Frazee. This year in 5th grade, you are going to be challenged. You are going to be learning things like finding volume, adding and subtracting fractions with unlike denominators, and multiplying and dividing pretty big numbers. You'll be learning about the properties of matter, ecosystems, and the solar system. You'll be learning about early colonization, the Revolutionary War, and the Constitution. That's my personal favorite. You'll also be reading lots of stories and writing for different purposes. I cannot wait to see you on September 3rd.
Hi there, I'm Mrs. Linner, and if you were a student at Shaw Road last year, then you probably know that I am the teacher with the marble classroom. So I'm here to tell you about the 5 things that you can expect as a 5th grader this year. Number 1, you'll be receiving a weekly newsletter from your teacher. That way you know what is coming up every single week. Number 2, all of your assignments for the following week will be in Schoology by 4 p.m. on Fridays, so you'll be able to see what's coming up. Number 3, every morning is going to start with a class meeting at 8:30 a.m. Don't forget to set your alarms. Number 4, technology issues. If you need some support or you're stuck on something, you can always watch videos on the Family University website. There's tons of videos, super helpful. And finally, number 5, teachers are going to have office hours every day before and after school. So that means that we'll be available to answer emails, do video chats, make phone calls from 8 o'clock to 8:30. That's before school, and 3 o'clock to 3:30 p.m. after school. Now that you know a little bit more about what to expect in 5th grade, I hope you're getting excited. I know I am, and I know that all the teachers at Shaw Road are looking forward to meeting their students. And even though this year looks a little bit different, I think it's going to be a great year.